viewers, breaking news coming in. 2 Lashkar terrorists have been killed in the encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district, which was underway a few hours ago. And that is the latest development coming in. 2 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists have been killed, successfully killed in this particular encounter, which was underway in Poonch. And it was indeed an infiltration bid which was foiled by the armed forces. We'll get more details on the other side, but that is the latest big development coming in from the encounter which was underway in Poonch. And we can confirm that 2 Lashkar terrorists have been killed in Poonch encounter. They earlier tried to infiltrate through the POK. My colleague Gursimran is joining us live from Jammu. Gursimran, help us understand more details. 2 LET terrorists have been neutralized.
2 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists, both Pakistani, have been neutralized in a joint operation by Jammu and Kashmir Police and Indian Army in the Kasalia area of the Gulpur sector in the Poonch. The sources in the Indian Army and the Jammu and Kashmir Police are confirming to us that both of the bodies of these terrorists have been located using the drones that have been pressed into the action. Though the weather situation continues to be inclement, the bodies and the weapons have not been retrieved so far in the ongoing operation, but it will take time. See, because there is a heavy rains that are going on in the Rajouri and the Poonch district and the area close to the line of control, which is a densely forested area. The weather continues to be inclement, and also there is a dense fog that is making the visibility almost zero, and it is taking time for the forces to retrieve the bodies, but the forces are hopeful that the bodies will be retrieved very soon, and after that there will be a joint briefing. It is expected by the Indian Army along with the Jammu and Kashmir Police that how this operation actually took place. What we are being told by the sources in the Indian Army, that there was a input that was generated by Jammu and Kashmir Police and was shared with them a couple of days ago. The joint forces were working on that input, and late last night at around 3 to 4 in the morning, there was some suspected movement of 2 Pakistani Lashkar terrorists that was seen along with the weapons, and they were intercepted and fired upon, in which 2 Lashkar terrorists have been neutralized in the ongoing operation. The sources are confirming that the input that the police had was very specific to the Pakistani terrorists trying to escape and sneak into the Indian territory. So we can say that 2 Pakistani terrorists of Lashkar-e-Toiba have been neutralized. This was a desperate attempt by Lashkar-e-Toiba, coming at a time when 3 of their top commanders have been neutralized in the Srinagar encounter, where we saw that how the Pahalgam butchers, they were killed by the security forces in the ongoing encounter. And now as we speak, the security forces are carrying out the search operations, not only to retrieve the bodies and weapons, but also to ensure that if any accomplice or any of other terrorists or overground worker is there, they can also be neutralized at an earliest in the operation that is underway in Poonch.
Right, Gursimran, there has been back-to-back wins for the Indian Army as well as the Jammu and Kashmir Police. What we understand after the success of Operation Mahadev, there are several attempts we see that are made by the side of the terrorists trying to infiltrate into our land, but our forces are vigilant and they are giving them a befitting response.
Yes, the forces are giving a befitting reply to any attempt that is being made from across the border. We have seen what has happened in the Srinagar encounter in the Dachigam, where the security forces, after 4-month-long operations they carried out roughly 4 months, they were able to neutralize the terrorists that were behind the Pahalgam terror attack. So the forces are carrying out the relentless operation, and as we speak, the searches are underway in the area of the Poonch, and also multiple anti-terror operations are underway in the districts of Kishtwar, Doda, Udhampur, Kathua, so that if the terrorists are there, that groups that have earlier infiltrated, they can also be neutralized at an earliest.
Appreciate Gursimran for you joining us this morning and giving us all the details on the very important encounter